In today's digital era, safeguarding your cryptocurrency is more than a practice, it's a necessity. The question isn't just about where to store your assets, but how to ensure they remain under your control, protected from online attacks and security leaks. Hi, my name is Lamia, and in this video I will guide you through choosing the right cryptocurrency wallet for maximum security. So to discover our best pick, watch till the end. Before we start, please take a moment to like, comment and subscribe. Your engagement truly makes a difference and helps our channel grow, ensuring that more people can benefit from our content. Every like, comment and subscription brings us one step closer to creating a community where valuable information is shared and appreciated. Thank you for your support, and now let's get started. Many newcomers to the crypto land trust exchanges to keep their coins using what's known as custodial wallet. While these wallets offer convenience and recovery options through customer service, they may not be the safest choice. The exchange has full custody, meaning your assets in a sense belongs to them. Non-custodial wallets are the answer for those who seek autonomy over their assets. While they require a bit more effort to set up and manage, they ensure that you are the sole person in control. Remember, this is your money. Leaving it in someone else's hand is a gamble you don't need to take. So the recommended approach for maximum security is to move your coins off an exchange and into a non-custodial wallet. Our topic for a beginner-friendly non-custodial wallet is Exodus. Exodus is a free software wallet that's beautifully designed, intuitive to use. Exodus offers a secure, sleek experience whether you're on a mobile or desktop. Its dashboard customization, along with support for over 360 assets, makes it a strong contender. Plus, its ability to handle transactions within the wallet adds a layer of convenience. Exodus has partnered with Trezor, integrating Trezor's hardware wallet device for enhanced security. However, its code isn't open source, which some might consider a downside. For more advanced users, our top pick is MetaMask, a sophisticated and adaptable solution that serves as your passport to the world of decentralized applications. Primarily using for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, it supports over 500,000 assets and offers a multi-chain portal, allowing seamless interaction with the universe of dApps directly from your browser or mobile device. Its multi-chain functionality enables users to engage with different blockchain ecosystems, making MetaMask a comprehensive tool for navigating the decentralized web. Despite the convenience it offers, it's crucial to maintain strict security practices due to its internet connectivity. MetaMask's design is tailored for those looking to experience the advanced aspect of blockchain technology, from engaging in decentralized finance, DeFi, and trading to minting NFTs. For those prioritizing security above all, hardware wallets are the gold standard. These physical devices store your crypto offline, providing a secure barrier against most hacks. Our recommendation for the best hardware wallets at number 3, meet Engrave Zero. The Engrave is the first hardware wallet in the world that is EAL7 security certified, which is the highest security certification in the world for blockchain and finance industry. It has a fingerprint reader as well as a PIN for two-factor authentication, and its generation mechanism is highly innovative, using the highest level of randomness. Next up, in second place, Tangem wallet. Where simplicity meets sophistication, these card-like hardware wallets offer a unique tap-and-go experience without compromising on security. While it simplifies the process of managing your assets, it maintains robust security standards, making it an ideal choice for those who value convenience alongside safety. Leading our list is Trezor, the pioneer in hardware wallets, known for its extensive support of over 7,000 assets and commitment to open source transparency. Trezor offers unparalleled security, combining this with the notable feature of the Trezor Model T. It stands out for its robust security, user-friendly touchscreen interface, and extensive support for digital assets. The Model T is not just about storing cryptocurrencies, it ensures that your digital wealth is recoverable in any scenario with its advanced backup option. This commitment to security, support, and user-centric design cement the Trezor Model T's position as the ultimate choice in our exploration of cryptocurrency wallets' choice for securing your digital fortune. And the worthy conclusion to our exploration of cryptocurrency wallets. I will leave the official links to the Trezor Model T in the description below, as well as all other wallets we discussed today. In conclusion, understanding and choosing the right cryptocurrency wallets is a significant step towards securing your digital fortune. Whether you opt for software wallets like Exodus for its user experience or hardware wallets like Trezor for its unmatchable security. Remember that your vigilance and informed decision are your best assets in crypto universe. Thanks for watching, and once again, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Keep your crypto safe and see you in the next one.